Take a moment to imagine yourself living and studying in Canada, walking through the beautiful University of Calgary campus, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views, cutting-edge facilities, and a vibrant multicultural community. This is not just about education. It's about experiencing a whole new world of opportunities, connecting with people from across the globe, and preparing for an international career. And the best part? With these fully funded scholarships, you won't have to worry about tuition fees or financial constraints. This could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for, and I'm here to help you take that first step toward your dream. Hello, dreamers and future achievers. Welcome back to Dreams Abroad Media, the channel where we explore life-changing opportunities for those who dare to dream big. I'm here to guide you through an amazing opportunity for international students. If you've been dreaming of studying in Canada, then this video is for you. We're diving into the University of Calgary scholarships for 2025 to 2026. These scholarships are fully funded, meaning they cover your financial worries while you focus on your studies and building a bright future in one of the most welcoming countries in the world. I'll be walking you through everything: the scholarship details, eligibility criteria, the benefits, and most importantly, a step-by-step guide to the application process. So, grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Make sure to stick around until the end for the application link and my personal tips to ace your application. Scholarship Overview. About the University of Calgary scholarships 2025 to 2026. The University of Calgary, located in Alberta, Canada, offers a range of scholarships for international students who demonstrate academic excellence, leadership potential, and community engagement. What makes these scholarships unique? Fully funded opportunities. These scholarships cover tuition fees and may include additional benefits like living expenses, travel allowances, and study materials. Top-ranked university. The University of Calgary is one of Canada's leading institutions, known for its cutting-edge research and high-quality education. Diverse programs. Scholarships are available for a wide range of undergraduate and postgraduate programs in fields like engineering, business, science, arts, and more. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible, you must meet the following requirements. 1. Be an international student from a non-Canadian background. 2. Have a strong academic record with excellent grades in your previous studies. 3. Show leadership potential and active involvement in extracurricular or community activities. Scholarship benefits. Here's what the University of Calgary scholarships offer: full tuition fee coverage for the entire duration of your program, living expenses allowance, access to university facilities, research opportunities, and mentorship programs. A chance to join a global network of scholars and professionals. Step-by-step application process. Step 1. Research your program. Visit the University of Calgary's official website and explore the list of undergraduate and postgraduate programs available for international students. Choose a program that aligns with your academic and career goals. Step 2. Check scholarship options. Navigate to the scholarships section of the website to find details about the funding opportunities available for your chosen program. Step 3. Prepare your documents. You'll need the following. 1. Academic transcripts from your previous education. 2. English proficiency. 3. A strong statement of purpose or motivation letter explaining why you're the perfect candidate for the scholarship. 4. Updated CV or resume showcasing your academic and extracurricular achievements. 5. 2 letters of recommendation from professors or employers. Step 4. Complete the online application. Create an account on the University of Calgary's official application portal. Fill out your program application and upload all required documents. Step 5. Submit the scholarship application. After completing your program application, you'll be directed to a scholarship application form. Fill it out with accurate details and attach any additional documents required for the scholarship. Step 6. Wait for the results. The university will evaluate your application based on academic performance, leadership potential, and other criteria. If shortlisted, you may be contacted for further steps or an interview. Pro tips for success. To make your application stand out, here are some essential tips. 1. Craft a unique motivation letter. Share your story, your goals, and how this scholarship will help you achieve your dreams. Be authentic and passionate. 2. Show leadership and impact. Highlight experiences where you've made a difference, whether in academics, extracurriculars, or your community. 3. Double-check everything. Review your application thoroughly for errors or missing information before submitting. 4. Start early. Give yourself plenty of time to prepare a strong application. Don't rush through it. And there you have it, my friends. The University of Calgary Scholarships 2025 to 2026 offer a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to pursue your dreams of studying in Canada without financial worries. Imagine the doors this scholarship could open for you. A world-class education, international connections, and a bright future in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. The link to apply is in the description box below. So don't wait, take action now. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from this amazing opportunity. Let's spread the word and help as many people as we can achieve their dreams. Thank you for watching Dreams Abroad Media. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future opportunities. Remember, the world is full of possibilities, and all you need is the courage to take the first step. Until next time, wishing you all the best in your journey. Take care, and see you in the next video.